Hey guys, Daniel here. Chances are you've come across my video because you're looking to some information of how to go live from your desktop using OBS software. So I'm just going to go over it today. Hopefully I cover some of the basics that you've been looking for so you can actually go live from your desktop to customize or promote your brand or product or service. So I'm just going to go over a few things to help you guys out. If you're new to OBS or you're new to Facebook Live, I just want to cover a few things to help you guys out. So first of all, as you can see, I've got OBS open. You can go to the website and actually download the particular software. I'll leave all the links down below to if you're working for the PC or Mac, but you can go to the main website and download the software for your particular platform that you're using, whether it's PC or Mac. So as you can see, I've installed OBS software here and it's running here at the moment. So to go live on Facebook, depending on if you want to run it to your fan pages or your groups, or you can actually run it onto your personal profile, but I'll make another video on that, how to run it to your personal profile another time. But for this one, I'm just going to go over the basics to run it to your fan page of yours, just to give you the basic overview. So to go to, you need to go to your settings in OBS. And you're going to go to the stream. So this stream key here, this is the stream key you're going to grab from Facebook on one of your fan pages. So you go to one of your fan pages. I've just got one here open here, just a dummy demo fan page, just to show you guys. And you're going to go to Publishing Tools. Just waiting for that to load. I think it's going to run a bit slow because I'm running the OBS plus my recording software and trying to go onto Facebook Live. So it'll be a bit of a lag. Apologise for that. Oops. Once you're in here, you can go to your video library, and then you're going to see this button here, Live. So you click on the Live button here, and this is going to give you access to your stream key. So this stream key here is what you're going to use to go over to OBS and put it into that field there. So we just grab that, highlight that particular stream key, just going to copy that. You can right click and copy, or you can do Command C on the Mac or Control C on a PC. We're going to go back to OBS, and I'm going to copy that stream key in here and just OK that. And now once you see this, you can start streaming. You go next, and it's going to give you a preview screen. So once we start streaming, so once it starts grabbing the video stream, this is where you can just put a title, random title, just say test demo. So you can add a title and so forth. So it's just trying to connect to OBS at the moment. And as you can see, it's going live. Yeah, so once you see the preview, you can actually click on anywhere on the screen, and you want to, like I say, mute the actual preview, because then otherwise you're going to get that feedback towards into your system there. So as you can see, it's going live. It's actually a live preview now. There you can see that as I'm recording in OBS, you can see what's going on. So that's pretty much just a basic overview how you can go live to a fan page from your desktop using OBS. And the beauty of the OBS is where you can customize your live stream as you're streaming. So you could put, I'll give you a quick demo, because as you can see, I've got some sources here that's actually running, but I've actually turned them off. So you'll be able to change your images out or your scenes on the fly as you're actually doing your live videos. So if you're doing here, giving a tutorial or a presentation, and you wanted to switch out the screens as you're talking, so your non-live preview is on your left and the live is on the right. So if you wanted to switch something out here on the left, so you wanted to switch the background image as I was talking, so you turn one of the and turn the other image off. See, it's changed here. And if you're happy with that, so as I'm talking or as I'm giving the presentation, I can actually just transition that new background if I was talking, and you can add some text as well as you were talking. So even though it's live here on the right hand side, and then you got everything propped up on the left, and as you're talking, as you're presenting, as you're doing like a live webinar, you can quickly transition as I'm talking. So that's how you can do how it looks like the professionals do it. As they're talking, they can do live streams and change their backgrounds, give them tickers and other images and so forth. And as you do, you can actually turn them back off again. So if you want to keep it on for a little bit longer, turn the thing text off and transition that, and it removes that. And in the middle of your webinar or Facebook Live, you could ask for likes and so forth. You can actually do likes, Facebook likes and hearts and as you're doing it, to show that more engagement to your live stream as well. So if you transition that with the likes on, you can see we're going live, and it says with the hearts and so forth, which shows engagement as you're talking, and people will see that you've got some sort of engagement, and that shows it on your live stream. So these types of things, this is going to set you apart from other marketers, because as you see, there's not many marketers that are actually going to do this type of marketing to set themselves apart. So I thought I'd just give you a quick overview. You can turn that back off because you don't want to leave it on too long, and then transition it back, and then it comes off again. So this is just a quick overview of how you can go live on Facebook to a fan page using OBS software. So this is Daniel. Hopefully this has helped you out. If you can subscribe to my channel or like this video, it'd be much appreciated. And I'll catch you up with the next tutorial on how to Facebook Live to your personal profiles and fan and groups as well. Cheers for that. Thank you. Signing off.
Hey, hey, hey. Friend for all my life. would not deny.